Hey beauties! Welcome back to my channel. For today I created this minted cut crease look. I really love purples, they're my favorite color, and minted colors are second best. So this look had to happen. If you'd like to know how I made this look, then keep on watching. As you can see, I already did my base, the cream contour, the powder and my brows. So this tutorial will be only for the eyes. Today I'm using the P.Louise base in the Rumor #1 for the eyes. And we're going for a purple vibe with mint in it. So first we place a dot on the eye. Just blend that in a little bit. We don't want harsh lines. I've got some powder on my brush left and I will set that with that brush. So just tap it on. Today I'm going to use the little palette of the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. We'll be taking these purple color tones and we're starting with the deepest color and put that in the outer V. Just stamp it on to make that intense purple. Okay, when you think you're done with building up and you start blending out and everything is fading again, just add something more where you already placed it and keep blending inwards. And lightly in a point. So now I want to intensify the crease more, so I'm going to get a little blending brush and put that more in the crease so we can intensify that. Then I take another smaller blending brush and I'm going in with the purplish pinkish color just to blend everything out, and I'm doing it on top of that color, on the darkest color, and fade it out slightly above. And then I'm taking the lilac color and I will do the same, and I'm using the same brush, so just on the already lighter color that there is, we're using the lilac lavender color. And we're going to scratch that in. So we have a nice gradient. Then we're taking a cotton swab, makeup remover, and we clean up the inner edge so we can make a cut crease. I like to do this very carefully, bit by bit. So you see, I'm doing a half cut crease, not a whole one, because I like to keep that darkish purple over here, and we're going to darken it up. Okay, that's clean. Then we take a little bit of the P.Louise base again. Not that much, just to make a clean canvas. Follow the line that you created. I like to be quiet when I do this because otherwise I'm very shaky and it doesn't get very straight. Okay, so we made a half cut crease and now you see the harsh line at the end. That is not what we want, so I'm taking my brush where we already blended with when we applied it the first time, so there is a little bit base on it still, and I'm just trying to smooth that edge. You can see this is the result. Now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty melted eyeshadows, matte and metal in the color Minted. Later on we're going to use the Dinero as well. Taking a little brush and follow that cut crease line. I'm letting a little piece open for another color, but first I just swipe that off my brush, and then I want to fade it a little bit out so we don't have a harsh line. This color is very similar to the one of the Huda Beauty, and just to enhance that I'm just going to tap that on top of it so we don't have any patchiness, and we can blend the other color pretty well on top of this. I'm going to use from Queen Tarzi the Royal Palette, the bluish purple color in the middle. It's called Charlene, and we're going to put Charlene with the same brush that we used for the Minted color. Tap it off right here. And I'm going in with the Minted color. Making a nice transition between those two. So just scratch back and forth. On the same spot. We're going in with the dark purple and put that in the outer corner and go on top of that bluish purple, because I like these two blended into each other. We've got the Dinero sides of the Huda Beauty. I'm just going to put that here on top of it, and then I'm going to get my mini brush to drag that further along. So everywhere is a little bit of glitter. What we're going to do now is see underneath the eye. I am still using the minted color of Huda Beauty. Put that halfway underneath my eye and drag it to the inner corner. Then I'm going to take a flat brush, and first I'm going in with that deep dark purple color. I'm going to take that little blending brush and I'm going straight in the lavender color. I like lavender, just how you want to call it, I think. I'm going to blend this one out and right into the point over there. I'm going in with the eye pencil from Essence, the 27 Purple Rain. And scratch that in. Luckily I have both of these colors in eye pencils from Essence, so I'm going to use in the inner part the green color on the waterline. I'm going to do the upper waterline as well with black, because I'm going to use a little black line of eyeliner, and then the lashes are coming. And yeah, I like it if that one is black and dark, so you won't see any skin left underneath the lashes peeking through. So yeah, let's get straight into that. Just scratch it. At the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner. This is one of my favorites, so I'm going to use it again. And we just make a little line. For the lashes, I'm going to use the Queen Tarzi lashes in Alia. I just picked them up in the store and I think they are to die for. So let's see how they look on my eye. I'll be right back when I put them on and I will show you the results. And this is the look for today. If you like to see more of my looks or anything else, just subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. If you got any questions or you want to see a certain look for me to do, just leave a message down below and I will see what I can do. Thank you for watching. Bye.